guys, I'm here with Megan, and here's Jack, and we're gonna do the healthcare reform. It is 9 shots by Red Rhino. It's a 200 gram, and this is the one that Jackson picked over at Coach's, and this is called healthcare reform. See these guys right there, and there's the fuse, and here we go. You better get ready to run, Jackson. You gotta get on your feet, because this one might light faster than we think it will. Let me have the stick when we're done. Ready? Okay, run, Jackson, run! Run, 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 run! Yeah! That was good.
That was awesome.
Jackson, that was great.
Worth $20.
Yeah. Thumbs up, comment below.
Hit that button. Yeah.
There it is.